Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to find morel mushrooms the easy way. So a lot of times I hear guys saying, well, just find an elm tree or an ash tree, but I don't have a lot of those around here. But what I do have is tulip trees. So if you find a tulip tree, look around its base and there's a real good chance that there might be some morels if it's the right time of the year. So the time of year, Mother's Day. But more specifically, when the ground temperature is about 50 to 60 degrees and you've had a lot of rain. So it's been raining for a week straight here, and my entire front yard is full of morel mushrooms. All of these trees in the front yard, all of them except for 3 are tulip trees. So I'm going to show you some of the morels I got here. All right, got one right there. Hope I don't step on any of them. There, give an idea of the size. And then, oh, there's one that's not even staked. Right there. And right there. And usually when you find one, there's typically, I normally find them in 3s. See, there's 3 of them right there. Three more. There's 2 and 1. So the key is finding the first one. Once you find the first one, finding more of them is usually the easier part. So yeah, they're all over. And like I said, just look around, and when you find one, there's usually more. They're not normally just by themselves. So I know that wasn't the normal machining, fabrication type videos that I normally do, but this time of year only comes once a year, and this is something that I'm really into. And I know you're not supposed to, you know, have a broad, you know, YouTube channel or social media platform. You're supposed to be like really focused. That's not me. I'm sorry. I'm not here to, you know, to do that. So if you're following my YouTube channel or any of my other channels, every now and again, you're going to get just a little piece of my life, regardless, and it's not always going to be just fabrication. But most of the time, it's going to be fabrication. So if you like this video and you're watching it on YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe. You probably won't see more like it, but you will see a lot of fabrication videos, welding videos, fixing stuff videos. Anyways, that's all I got for this time, guys.